Hip hinge with dowel. The hip hinge or Romanian deadlift with dowel is an excellent exercise and essential progression to functional movement, low back rehabilitation, and injury prevention. Engage and maintain a tall and strong posture throughout the exercise. Place a broomstick or dowel along the spine with 3 points of contact at the pelvis, mid-back, and back of head. Hold the dowel with one hand in the curve of the low back and the other hand in the curve of the neck. Maintain 3 points of contact at all times and begin the movement by pushing your hips back. Continue to push the hips back as your body angles forward and down while maintaining the 3 points of contact. Pull yourself as far down as possible without losing the contact at the bottom point or at the pelvis. From the bottom, push your feet into the floor as you stand back up. Inhale with a deep and diaphragmatic breath as you lower, and exhale through pursed lips as you push back up to the starting position. Different people will have different elements of mobility and stability throughout their body. To illustrate, the Romanian deadlift shown here has less angle towards the floor in the bottom position. This is due to tightness in the posterior or back of the legs. Note, however, that the movement integrity is maintained. The hips push back and 3 points of contact are maintained throughout the movement.